So welcome to all of you on the Grammar Day, and today I have chosen a topic for you that we already covered in our workshop. Verb. Verb. As we all know, verb is called the hero of the sentence, right? Why the verb is called the hero of the sentence? Any idea?
Ma'am, without verb, the sentence is totally incomplete
Yes,
and
without verb.
meaningless.
Yes, without verb, we cannot frame a sentence. Only this is the part of speech that is very, very important to frame the sentence. Because without noun, we can frame a sentence. Without pronoun, we can frame a sentence. Without adjective, conjunction, interjection, preposition, we can frame a sentence. But only this thing, only this verb, without verb, we cannot frame a sentence. Let's discuss this thing with the help of pictorial representation. Suppose this is a bridge. They are the supporters of the bridge. AK, what will happen if there is no support?
The bridge will fall down.
AK बस
Will
हाँ AK
collapse.
हाँ मैम समझ लेना अपने आप पे. Yes, the bridge will collapse. The bridge will collapse. Same goes with the sentence. Same goes with the sentence. There are the supporters of the sentence. They are the supporters of the sentence. And what are the supporters of the sentence? The verbs are the supporters of the sentence. What will happen if there is no support?
There is no
verb,
sentence.
there is no sentence.
No sentence.
Like for example, if there is a soul in the body, that is perfectly okay. But if there is no soul in the body, then what will happen? The body will shatter and then the body will collapse. Although we have taken the example of our chairperson, but still. So no verb, no sentence.
No sentence.
No verb, no sentence. Right verb, right sentence. Okay, simple.
अच्छा है और भी है ले लो.
So now, what is the neural path of the verb forms? Acha, okay, before starting this, I'm assuming that you should know the little bit idea of the verbs. Although there are so many types of verbs, but currently we are just talking about two verbs. One is called the main verb and second is called the helping verb.
Helping verbs.
Okay, again, I'm repeating. One is called the main verb, or you can say the action verbs, and second is called the helping
Helping verbs.
verbs. हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स का मतलब जो हेल्प करता है, छोटे छोटे वर्ब्स होते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू राइट डाउन व्हाट आर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स, सो यू कैन राइट. जो हमें बेसिकली यूज करना है इज, एम, आर, was, were, has, have, do, does, did. So these are all the helping verbs. ये सारे हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स जो होते हैं हमारे मेन वर्ब्स के साथ आते हैं. और मेन वर्ब्स क्या होते हैं? हमारे एक्शन वर्ड्स. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, okay, now you yourself make one sentence. Now let's start from Tanuja, just make any single sentence in which the verb is coming.
I'm going to school.
I am going to school.
M is the helping verb and going is the main verb.
Very good. Kanchan, any sentence from your end? Unmute Kanchan.
I'm cooking meal. Oh, sorry, I'm cooking for the dinner.
I'm cooking dinner. So again, they are the two verbs. Okay, AK, one sentence from your end. I am in a class. Pooja, is there any verb in this sentence? I am in a class.
I am eating food.
Okay, now Pooja, the sentence is I am in a class. Is there any verb in this sentence?
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Am, yes. I am in a class, although it is not an action word. इसमें कोई action नहीं हो रहा, but still am is a verb. Ranjita, I was at home.
Okay. Was
is a verb. Okay, so these are the verbs that you should know. Little bit idea you already have. So now what is the neural path of the verb forms? What does it mean, neural? What does it mean, neural?
It may be connected to our brain.
Yes, neural means that is related with our brain. So what does it mean, neural path of the verb form? It means that our brain has already been stimulated with this word VERB. हमारा जो brain है उसके अंदर जो wiring है वो हो चुकी है with this word VERB. because since childhood we are listening this word verb. वो क्या है कि every verb has a three forms: present form, past form, and the past participle. And I am assuming that we all know all these things. Do.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Do. Anyone?
Past form. Done.
Past form?
Done.
Do, did,
Do, did, done.
Yes. Do,
Do,
did,
did,
done.
done.
Do, did, done. Very good. Do, did, done. Rekha, just joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Do, did, done. Okay, okay, great. Shabir, would you like to try succeed?
Okay, ma'am, I will try. Success.
No. Success is a noun. Success is a noun. Just put ed. Just put ed.
Succeeded.
Succeeded.
Succeed.
Succeeded.
Succeeded also.
Yes, succeeded.
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 95% cases may we just put ed. Kanchan, cook.
Cooked. Cooked.
Very good. Cook, cooked, cooked. Go. Ranjita, go.
ले लो ना है बाद नीचे ही जाके खाऊंगी
Go.
Went. Went.
Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. Okay. So what is the neural path of the verb forms? Ki every verb has a three forms: present form, past form, and the past participle. But still we are struggling in framing the sentences. Why? Because these three forms are not sufficient. These three forms are not sufficient. So whatever the neural path we have made till now, that is not sufficient. So what we have to do, we again have to remake our neural. Right? Again, हमारे को अपना neural path को दोबारा से remake करना है. So how we can remake the neural path? You can remake the neural path with the help of the verb family. As we all have the family, same goes with the verb. Verb also has a family. So let's start. So now she's the mother. So we assign the name of the mother called the mother verb. You can also say the base verb or the root verb. Now she's a mother, so she delivers her kids. So in the first delivery, she delivers present form 1, present form 2. In the second, past form. In the third delivery, she delivers present participle, fourth, past participle, and the fifth and the last delivery, infinite. Okay. AK, how many members do you see on the screen for verb?
7. 7.
Yes, okay. AK.
Seven.
7 members. 7 members you see on the screen. So these are the 7 forms of the verbs. Again, repeat after me. Mother verb, present form 1, present form 2,
Present form
past form,
2, past form,
present
present
participle,
participle,
past
past
participle,
participle,
and
infinite.
infinite form. And infinite. So let's discuss this thing with the help of example. Now listen, one example. Now after that we will do the practice. Now if there is a verb, now you can open your diary and the pen. Now if there is a mother verb is do. Mother verb is do. So how to make the present form 1? Present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the mother. Present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the mother. So do. How to make the present form 2? How to make the present form 2? Just write down mother verb plus S-E-S or I-E-S.
Does.
ठीक है? Does. Guys, थोड़ा सा speed जो है, little bit थोड़ा सा speedy mode पे है. I think that is perfectly okay. Because
ma'am.
we
Yes,
already
ma'am.
have
Yes,
covered this
ma'am.
part in our workshop. थोड़ा सा मैं speed से चल रही हूँ. Okay. So does. What is past form? Past form is
Did.
did. Very good. How to make the present participle? How to make the present participle? Mother verb
ING
plus ing.
Doing.
Mother verb plus ing. तो do का mother verb, sorry, present participle क्या हो गया? Doing. Doing. What is past participle?
Also.
It's done.
Done.
Did.
And what is infinite form?
To do.
To and mother verb. To and mother verb. To do. Hi Jyoti. Late हो गए आज? Late? कोई बात नहीं. Jyoti, we have just started the mother forms. We have just started the mother forms. Okay. So there are the 7 forms of the verbs. and then you should know ki how to make. Okay, I'm again repeating. If we take the base verb do, so what is the present form 1? Exactly the carbon copy of the mother form. How to make present form 2? Just by putting s, es or ies with the mother verb. What is past form? Did. Present participle कैसे बनाते हैं? How to make the present participle? Mother verb plus ing. What is past participle? Verb का third form. That is called do का verb का third form क्या हुआ? Done. And what is the infinite form? To do. To do.
To
अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि where you have to put s, where you have to put es, and where you have to put ies.
Ma'am, what was the last seventh part?
Yes, Shabir?
What was the last part?
Infinite
Past.
form to do. To do.
Infinite.
Infinite form to do.
Infinite. To do.
Infinite form to do. अब देखो अब हमने क्या
Okay,
बोला?
okay.
How to make a screen is visible?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How to बहुत ज्यादा visible हो गया मेरे को लग रहा है. How to make the present form to? देखो हमने present form to के लिए कैसे बोला? How to make add s oblique es oblique ies with the mother verb. I'm using abbreviation MV stands for mother verb. Okay, done. अब देखो. हाँ?
Yes. Yes.
Where you have to put
S.
add s. S जो है वो normally majority cases में कुछ समझ ना आया तो you just put s. S. Like for example, eat. Eat का present form to क्या बनेगा? What is the present form to of eat?
Eat.
S
Yes.
लगा. ठीक है,
Yes.
simple. Now where you have to put add es. Es हमें कहाँ add करना है? The verbs that ends with किस से end होता है? S से,
S.
O से, CH से, X से, Z से. Okay, अभी right now यही आ रहा है दिमाग में. ठीक है, so the verbs that
Why?
end with
Why?
Y. No.
It's IES.
Yes. Why
So
के लिए
the verbs that ends with S,
S.
the verb that ends with S, O, CH, X, Z. इन सब के साथ आपको क्या put करना है? ES. And
Yes.
where you have,
Ma'am, SH, the word which word behind SH, CH, there we will add ES.
हाँ, नहीं SH का कौन सा हुआ example ज्योति? Example दो मेरे को.
Church.
नहीं, church तो noun हुआ ना. Church is a noun. We are talking about the verb.
And fees, FISH,
Okay.
SHES.
Brush, ma'am, brushing,
And fees.
Brush. Yes. So SH भी हम लिख सकते हैं. Yes. Very nice. SH. So these are the words. If the verbs ends with these letters, so how to make the present form to? Just by putting es. जैसे for example, do का go का क्या बन गया? Go. Goes. Yes. ठीक है. Watches. ये कौन सा वाला watch है? This is not watch. This is
time.
देखने वाला.
C वाला. ठीक है. Now where you have to put add IES. IES हमें कहाँ add करना है?
Why?
ये कैसे आ रहा है? ये red color क्यों आ रहा है ये?
Remove the IES. Remove the Y. Remove the Y and put IES.
Okay, do I rub this?
Sentence and why?
No, it's okay, ma'am. No issue.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
अब where you have to put add IES. IES हम कहाँ add करते हैं? The verbs.
And this with why?
In the
verbs
word where before
and-
the Y is their verb is, we put.
Ma'am, Y is removed.
अच्छा अभी सुनो. The verb.
Sorry. If before by there is a consonant, so we will remove the Y and add IES.
Yes.
Suppose cries.
Right. Very nice.
Cries.
Okay.
Fries.
Right. Now, the verb ends with Y. हम कहते हैं उसके साथ हमें क्या करना है? We have to remove Y and add IES. Remove Y and add IES. जैसे for example, try का present form to क्या बनेगा? Tries. we just remove Y and add IES. If this is a verb, if this is a word, Ranjita, play.
Yes, ma'am.
So according to the rule, so what should be the present form 2 of play?
Plays.
Playing. Present.
स्पेलिंग क्या होना चाहिए? ये होनी चाहिए थी स्पेलिंग.
PLA.
हाँ, स्पेलिंग क्या होना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल?
PLAIES.
ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल, बिकॉज रूल क्या कहता है? इफ द वर्ब एंड्स विद y, so just remove y and add ies. But in this case, there is some change.
Vowel.
Agar yes, if a vowel is coming before y, so then you just put s.
Yes.
But if one consonant is coming before y, so then you have to remove y and add I.
Convert with IS.
Clear?
Mhm.
Babu, are you there? Babu?
AY.
Yes, ma'am.
Babu,
I'm
this
here.
is for you. This is for you. Just,
Okay.
just tell me. Yes, this is a verb. Now, what is the present form to?
Enjoys.
As per the rule, enjoys.
What is the spelling?
ENJOYS.
Yes. Why? Because again, the vowel is coming before. Okay?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the present form too. Now this is clear. Okay. Rekha, this is for you. Complete this chart as quickly as you can.
Succeed.
Hmm.
Succeeded. No, no.
अभी present form
Succeed,
two क्या
present.
करा है? S, ES और IES.
हाँ. Succeed.
Succeeds. Succeeds.
Succeeds.
हाँ.
Succeeds. Succeeded
Hmm.
and succeeding
Hmm.
Hmm.
and
Succeeded.
succeeded and infinite to succeed.
To succeed. To succeed. Great. Yes, Tanuja.
It's present form 1 water. Present form 2 is waters. S. And past form water.
Water.
And watering plus ing. Watering. Again watered. And to water.
And two water. Okay, great. Two water. Pooja, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja, this is for you.
Present form 1 is be friend. Present form 2 is be friends. And past form is befriended. Present participle befriending. Past again befriended. To befriend.
To befriend, to befriend. Befriend is a verb. Befriend is a verb. The meaning is to make the friends, to make friends.
Okay.
AK, have.
Have.
Hmm.
Present form has.
Has,
Sorry,
very good. Had,
having.
having,
Had.
had,
To have.
to have. Excellent, excellent. So simple, okay? Okay. Kanchan,
Ma'am. Hook. Hooks. Cooked. Cooking. Cooked. To cook.
excellent. To cook. Okay, so simple. Now these are all the 7 forms. Okay, Chetna,
Yes, ma'am.
eat.
Eat. Eat.
Eat.
Same?
Each.
Sorry, eat, eats.
Eats. Past form?
Ate. Eating. Ate.
Eaten, ma'am.
Written.
Eaten.
Eaten.
Eaten. Or to eat.
To eat. Very good. Now, guys, see, listen. Eat is a irregular verb. Eat is a irregular verb. Again, there are the two types of verb, regular and irregular verb. Although that is not used in fluency, but that you should know from the grammatical point of view. There are the two types of verbs, regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs कौन सा होता है? Like for example, cook. Cook is a regular verb. Why? Because if you see
Easy.
the past form and the past participle forms are
The
same
same.
just by putting ed. So mother verb, आपका present form 1, past form and past participles are same just by putting ed. So these types of verbs are called the regular verbs. But if you see this verb in this form, present form 1, past form and past participle is entirely different. So now these verbs are called the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs you should cram. ये आपको क्रैम करना ही पड़ेगा इररेगुलर वर्ब. 3 फॉर्म्स आपको रटना ही पड़ेगा इररेगुलर वर्ब्स का. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, चलो एक बार थोड़ा सा यही प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं, घर पे पता नहीं टाइम मिले ना मिले. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ज्योति, अनम्यूट ज्योति.
Yes, ma'am.
ज्योति फ्लाई, सिर्फ
Fly,
प्रेजेंट
flew,
फॉर्म. हाँ,
fly, flew, flown.
वेरी गुड. फ्लाई, फ्लू, फ्लोन. वेरी गुड. प्रणीता, स्विम. Okay, I think Pranita is busy. Okay, Pooja. Pooja, swim.
Swim, swam, swim.
नहीं, swim,
No.
swam,
Swam, swum.
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 SWUM. Swim, swam, swum.
Swam.
Okay. Okay. Tanuja, bring.
Being brought.
Bring, brought. Bring, brought. Ranjita, buy.
Buy,
Buy.
Ma'am?
BUY, buy.
buy, bought.
Bought.
What?
Buy, bought. देखो bring में brought हो जाएगा. Bring में BR है तो past form में भी BR आ जाएगा. Don't be confused between bring and buy. Buy का है buy, bought. Bring का है bring, brought.
Brought.
Okay. Any irregular verb is coming into your mind?
Go and gone.
Go and
Go
gone.
and
Very
gone.
good. Go and gone.
Do did done.
Do did done. Do did done. Go and gone. Okay. So these are some irregular verbs.
Take, took, taken.
Take, took, taken. Very good. Take, took, taken. Give, gave, given. Give, gave, given. Okay. But now,
Drive, drove, driven.
yes, right, road. Acha, okay. Drive, drove, driven. Drive, drove, driven.
Right,
What is
road, written also.
right, wrote, written. Right, wrote, written. Okay. So now this is a be verb, which is an exceptional verb in the entire English grammar because this is the only verb which has a 9 forms. Which has a 9 forms. Is, am, are, was, were, being, been, to be. Okay. So this is a verb which can be used as a main verb also. That can be used as a helping verb also. ठीक है. अभी मैंने क्या 2 सेंटेंस बोले. मैंने बोला बी एक ऐसा वर्ब है जो आप यूज कर सकते हो एज अ मेन वर्ब भी, और बी एक ऐसा वर्ब है जो आप यूज कर सकते हो एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. मेन वर्ब का क्या मतलब है? जब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि बी को आप एज अ मेन वर्ब यूज कर सकते हो तो व्हाट डज इट मीन?
Is, am,
What
are.
is doing on that time?
I will be there that time.
It means कि there is only single verb is coming in that sentence. Like for example, this is my pen. This is my pen.
Okay.
So in this case, is considered as a be verb, but it is coming alone. इसके अलावा कोई और verb नहीं आ रहा ना इस sentence में.
Is.
So now in this case, is become a main verb. Is become a main verb.
Is.
Ranjita, I am at home. I am at home.
Am. Am
Am.
is man verb.
Am is a main verb. अगर suppose करो sentence होता I am taking the class. I am taking the class. Then
am is main verb. Taking is
no,
helping
no,
verb.
no.
No,
Am
no,
is
no, no, no.
helping and take
Taking
is
is
the
the
main
yes.
verb.
Taking is the main verb. Am becomes a helping.
Helping verb.
Am become a helping.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Rekha. Rekha. He was at home. He was at home.
He was at home.
Hmm.
हाँ तो was is
Was.
the
कौन सा verb हुआ? Main verb हुआ या helping verb
main,
हुआ?
main verb.
Main verb हुआ. Main verb हुआ. He was writing a letter. He was writing a letter.
So was is the helping and writing is
Yes,
the main.
was is a helping verb and writing is a main verb. That we will discuss in detail at the time of tenses. Clear? So this verb you should know. So what is the remake neural path of the verb form? Every verb has
Seven
seven
forms.
forms except the be
forms.
verb which has the 9.
9 forms.
Babu, Shabir, you can also switch on your video.
Ma'am, there is one query. Can I
Hanji,
ask?
pucha. Yes, yes, yes.
Shall and will is not part of helping verb.
Shall and will is also the part of helping verb, Bapuja, लेकिन उसको हम basically ना that comes in the category of the modal verbs. But that is also considered as a helping verb. जैसे for example, she will go to market. She will go to market. So in this case, we can consider it as a modal verb भी हम इसको बोल देते हैं या फिर हम इसको helping verb भी बोल सकते हैं.
Got it.
Both are okay. Both are okay, पूछो. Okay. Shabir, would you like to try? Yes, no? This is a verb for you. Surpass.
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 Surpasses.
Surpasses. Very good. Why? Because it ends with letter S. It ends
Okay.
with letter S. So आपको क्या put कर देना है? ES. What is past form?
Surpassed.
Surpassed. Surpassed.
Surpassed. Surpassed.
What is present
Surpassing.
participle? Surpassing.
Surpassing.
What is past participle?
Surpassed.
Surpassed. Surpassed.
Surpassed.
To surpass. To
Surpassed.
surpass. Yes, Jyoti. Malfunction. What is the meaning of surpass? Surpass means to lead excel. आगे बढ़ जाना. To lead excel.
Outperform.
Outperform. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. And what is the meaning of malfunction, Jyoti?
I don't know.
Malfunction. Malfunction का मतलब होता है, again it is a vocab word you should know. Malfunction, देखो जिस भी word के साथ mal माल लग जाता है, that comes in the negative sense. जैसे यहाँ पर malfunction का मतलब होता
Bad
है
behavior.
Malnutrition like that, na?
हाँ,
Malnutrition like that.
malnutrition भी होता है when the body is not functioning properly. When the
Lacking of
body is
nutrient.
not functioning properly, then the person becomes malnutrition. Or we can also use with the machines. When the machines are not working properly, so then we can say it called a malfunction. Malfunction. Suppose I ask from Rekha, why you have joined class so late? And Rekha is saying to me, ma'am, मेरा mixer juicer खराब हो गया. तो इसको कैसे बनाओगे रेखा इसको इंग्लिश में?
My mixer juicer is malfunction.
My mixer juicer हो गया था has malfunction. Has malfunctioned. So instead of saying my mixer juicer was not working properly, why we are making a lengthy sentence if we know this word? So my mixer juicer has malfunctioned. Not working properly. Not working properly. Jyoti, suppose.
Malfunction present form.
Okay, chalo start karo. Malfunction.
Malfunctions.
Okay.
Past form malfunction.
Hmm.
And present participle malfunctioning.
Hmm.
past malfunction, and infinite form to malfunction.
टू malfunction. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ज्योति, सपोज करो आपको ये सेंटेंस ट्रांसलेट करना हो. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग वन सेंटेंस. सीबीएसई 12th क्लास का रिजल्ट डिले हो गया था क्योंकि कंप्यूटर सही ढंग से काम नहीं कर रहे थे. ज्योति कि मैम इतना बड़ा.
Yes, yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
चलो
I
जल्दी.
can try.
हाँ चलो ट्राई करो.
CBSE 12th class result was delayed due to the malfunctioning of the
कंप्यूटर्स.
Computer.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, क्या बोला तुमने? द अगेंस्ट से योर सेंटेंस.
CBSE result
हाँ, was delayed नहीं, was बहुत has been obsolete. was नहीं बोलते, got word use करो इसके साथ. get का, लेकिन ये past tense है तो we can say the got. The CBSE result got delayed due to the malfunction of the computer.
due to the malfunction of the
computers.
Okay.
Due to the malfunction of the computer. मेरा AC काम नहीं कर रहा है. एक क्या बनाऊंगा इसकी इंग्लिश? My AC is malfunctioning. My AC is malfunction. My laptop is malfunction. Why you have joined late? Ma'am, my laptop is malfunction. Yeah, my laptop was malfunction. Okay, my phone was malfunction. I was unable to see the recordings because my laptop was malfunction. Clear? Okay. Okay, Pranita, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, this is for you. Eavesdrop.
Eavesdrop. Eavesdrop. Eavesdrops. Eavesdrop. And eavesdropping. To eavesdrop. Perfect. Eavesdropping. Eavesdropped. Then to eavesdrop.
To eavesdrop. Very good. What is the meaning of eavesdrop?
Ma'am, listening to others secretly.
Very good, Tanuja. To listen someone's talk secretly. To listen someone's talk secretly. किसी की बातें चोरी छुपे सुनना. That is called the eavesdrop. That is called eavesdrop. मेरी maid, पूजा just try. मेरी maid ने मेरी बातें चोरी छुपे सुनी. किचन के दरवाजे से. कैसे बनाओगे?
My maid has heard my talks. Eavesdrop.
हाँ, hard क्यों आएगा पूजा? ये सारा इसी के अंदर आ गया. ये सारा heard और listen, it all comes in this eavesdrop. My maid eavesdropped my talk.
My talk.
Behind the kitchen stove. Full stop. Okay? मैंने उसकी बातें सुनी. I eavesdropped her talk. I eavesdropped her talk.
Her talk.
ठीक है? चेतना, मेरे बॉस ने हमारी बातें सुनी.
Okay. My boss eavesdropped
Our talk.
our talks. ठीक है? हमारी की हो गई इंग्लिश आर. My boss eavesdropped our talks. So to listen someone's talk secretly, forget about this word, only just remember this beautiful verb that is called eavesdrop. Next is fail. That you can easily make. Okay, let's try. Rekha, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Jaldi se
Fail.
do it.
Fails. Failed. Failing. Failed. To fail.
To fail. Okay, that is simple. Okay, next. Ill-treat. Pooja?
Ill-treat. Ill-treats. Ill-treated. Ill-treating. Ill-treated. To ill-treat.
To ill-treat.
Sorry.
To ill-treat. Very good. Ill-treat का मतलब होता है to do the bad behavior. To do the bad behavior. We should not do ill-treat with others. हमें किसी के साथ बुरा व्यवहार नहीं करना चाहिए. Ill-treat. Next word is besiege. Next word is besiege. Tanuja,
Yes, ma'am. Besiege. Besiege S
तनुजा कौन से वर्ड से एंड हो रहा है ये वर्ड?
H
हाँ, CH से
CH
yes से एंड होगा तो क्या लगाएंगे आप?
ES
Yes,
ma'am.
very good.
हाँ.
Besieges. Besieges.
And ED besieges.
Besieged या फिर
What
besought?
is pronounced besought?
Besieged या besought. Both the words are right. Okay. Present
Okay.
participle.
Beseeching
Beseeching.
and again besieged or besought.
Besought.
And besought and to besiege.
To besiege. To besiege. What is the meaning of besiege? Besiege का मतलब होता है to beg. To beg. Request. To begging. देखो, there is a word begging. There is a word begging. And there is a word
Okay.
beseech. Both the meaning is same. But the usages is different.
Yes.
Yes. Rekha,
Begging.
would you like to
Yes,
say
begging
something?
is for beggars.
Huh?
And this is for and beseech for our matlab to
In a
convince
formal way,
someone.
we can use
Yes,
besiege.
yes,
can
yes.
use
Dekho, there are the two ways. There are the two ways of conversation.
Yes.
Formal conversation and informal conversation. ठीक है? देखो, दोनों का हिंदी का मतलब होता है गिड़गिड़ाना. गिड़गिड़ाना.
Yes.
हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं गिड़गिड़ाना. लेकिन when we use this word begging, so begging is a very informal way. Informal. ठीक है? Informal way मतलब आप बच्चों से बात कर रहे हो या कोई पर्सन आपसे मांग रहा है. But if suppose you are talking to your boss कि सर प्लीज मेरी सैलरी रेज कर दो. सो अगेन हम क्या कर रहे हैं? एक तरीके से हम उनसे रिक्वेस्ट ही तो कर रहे हैं, उनसे बेगिंग ही तो कर रहे हैं कि सर प्लीज रेज आवर सैलरी. बट वहां पर अब आप इनफॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रही हैं बिकॉज यू आर टॉकिंग विद योर प्रिंसिपल, यू आर टॉकिंग विद योर बॉस. So in that case, don't say this word begging. Sir, please, I'm begging you. Please raise my salary. No, it doesn't sound look good. So in that case, what you have to do, sir, I'm beseeching you, please raise my salary. I'm beseeching you, please raise my salary. Okay? Beseech. Beseech. Suppose husband is a chain smoker and the wife is requesting to her husband कि please smoking छोड़ दो. तो हम कैसे बोलेंगे? The wife is beseeching to her husband, please quit the smoke. Please quit the smoke. Okay, so in this way we can use. Very slight difference between begging and beseeching, but beseeching you have to use in formal way. Okay, now this is clear. The 7 forms. 7 forms are clear. If I assign any form of the verb, can you make the 7 forms?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, great.
Right.
Now we are coming to the next topic. How to differentiate between the present form 1 and mother. Now, if I'm giving the sentence, I cook rice. I cook rice. In this sentence, what is a verb?
Cook.
Cook is a verb. Cook is a verb. Now, how to identify whether cook is a present form 1 or cook is a mother verb? This is the question. Because both the forms are same. Present form 1 kya hai? Present form 1 is exactly the carbon copy of the mother. So, at the time of framing sentences, you should know ki what is present form 1 and what is mother form. How to differentiate between these two. Now, note down. If the main verb, write down, please guys, write down. If the main verb is coming alone, if the main verb is coming alone.
Ma'am, I'm not having a pen copy.
कोई बात नहीं. Mind सबसे बड़ा है रेखा. कहाँ हो? बाहर हो गए? घर पे नहीं हो?
Yes, I am at my native place.
हाँ तो कोई बात नहीं. पेन तो होगा? नहीं है?
नीचे से लेकर आना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात. लेकिन अब रेखा do one thing. Quickly just go downstairs and take the pen because after that now we will do some assignments.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? तो जल्दी से ले आओ. So what is if the main verb is coming alone, if the main verb is coming alone, what does it mean alone? मैं बार बार word बोल रही हूँ alone.
Individual, single.
What does it mean single?
Ma'am, like
If
without
there is
any
no
helping verb.
helping verb.
Without any helping verb. Very good, Tanuja. Without any helping verb. More
Yes.
inputs.
Any support? Without any support?
Helping verb वो हो गया, एक ही हो गया. उसके अलावा क्या है? Alone का मतलब क्या है उसके अलावा?
Without expression.
Without
Noun. Expression.
नहीं समझ आ रहा.
Without noun.
With the pronoun? No.
Without noun or pronoun.
No. Noun तो आ रहा है प्रणीता. Noun तो rice is a noun. Rice is a noun. Alone का मतलब होता है without any supporting verb. That is perfectly okay. Second alone का मतलब होता है without any s, es, and ing and ed. इस verb के साथ कुछ नहीं आएगा. Base form of the verb will come. Then it becomes the present form one. Then it becomes the present form one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If. AK, read this sentence.
I could cook rice.
AK.
Rice.
AK, speak
I
loudly.
could cook rice.
Next.
I can cook rice.
Very good. Next.
I shall cook
I
rice.
shall cook rice. So, if you see the first sentence, how many verbs? There are the two verbs in the first sentence. Could and cook. If you see the second sentence, again there are the two verbs, can and cook. Third sentence, mein again shall and cook. So, if the main verb kya hai? Cook. If the main verb is coming along with any supporting verb, then it becomes the
Mother.
Second form of present form. Present form.
second form of present form.
Mother verb, ma'am. Mother verb.
I mean,
Mother verb.
mother verb.
तो ये
Sorry, mother verb.
बन जाएगा. It
Okay,
becomes
okay.
a mother verb. Okay, now I'm taking two names, Shabir and Babu. Both these, unmute yourself. Shabir and Babu. Unmute, Shabir. Okay, Babu, I'm just giving one sentence to you. Please let me know which type of verb it is. I eat an apple.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't hear you everything.
I eat an apple. I eat an apple.
Okay, it's mother verb.
It's a mother verb. What supporting verb is coming along with this sentence?
I eat apple. Eat.
Eat. Single verb is coming now. Single verb is coming.
Yes.
So single verb is coming. So then it becomes a
Present form
Present form one.
one. Present form one.
form one.
Shabir, I will eat an apple.
Mother verb.
Mother verb. Why?
There are two
There are
verbs.
the two verbs because eat is coming along with the supporting verb that is called will. ठीक है? Babu, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
सोना नहीं है ग्रामर की क्लास में. Assignment कैसे करोगे? चलो. The next is differentiate between the past form and the past participle. Guys, write down two sentences. I cooked rice. I cooked rice. COOKED. I cooked rice. Puja, there is some noise. Maybe there is some noise from your bed. Okay. I cooked rice. If this is a sentence. So, क्या लग रहा है? Whether it is a past form or it is a past participle. Because the past form and the past participle both ends with ed.
Yes.
Both ends with ed.
But this is a past form. only.
This is a past form. This is a past form. Why? Write down. If the
Because
main verb is coming alone and it is in the past form, second form, so it becomes the past. Single verb आ रहा है past में, so it becomes a past form. Simple. But how to differentiate the past participle? Past participle को कैसे differentiate करोगे? Ranjita, read
with
these
helping
sentences.
verb.
Yes, you have.
Cook rice.
Okay, anyone can read.
You have
You
cooked
have
rice.
cooked rice.
You have
Cooked
rice.
You
rice.
have cooked
Next.
rice.
You had
You
cooked
have cooked
rice.
rice.
Next.
You will have cooked rice.
Right. Now write down. This is very important. Very important. Just write down past participle लिखो, dash करके लिखो. I'm just telling you only the 4 supporting verbs are used to make the past participle. Only the 4 supporting verbs are used to make the past participle. First is has. Second is have. Third is had. HAD had. And fourth is will have. Will have. Again, I repeat, have, has, had, will have.
Will have.
Only these 4 supporting verbs are used to make the past participle.
Can you shall have?
Rekha, please mute, dear. Yes.
Ma'am, has also.
Has and have also it's used in the past participle format.
Has, have, had, will have.
Will have.
Will have.
Okay.
These 4 supporting verbs are coming along with the main verb. So जो main verb होगा वो कौन से फॉर्म में लिखा जाएगा? वो लिखा जाएगा past participle. और past participle का क्या मतलब होता है सिंपल टर्म्स में? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल तो ग्रामेटिकल टर्म हो गया. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल को सिंपल टर्म्स में कैसे बोलोगे?
ED.
If work is completed.
पास्ट पार्टिसिपल को सिंपल टर्म्स में कैसे बोलते हैं हम? जो हम याद
Work
रख
has
सकते हैं.
done. कर दिया.
वर्ब
हमने
हैज डन नहीं. वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म.
Verb का third.
वर्ब का
हाँ,
थर्ड.
verb का
सिंपल
third
ध्यान रखो. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल मींस वर्ब का थर्ड.
तो ma'am, can you repeat again only these 4 supporting forms?
Only these supporting verbs are used. So उसके साथ जो मेन वर्ब आएगा, that should always be in the past participle. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल का मीन सिंपल लेमन लैंग्वेज में वर्ब का थर्ड. I have completed my work. What is the past participle in this sentence?
I am.
Completed.
Only
Completed.
completed.
have
Only completed is the
completed,
past
ma'am.
participle. Only
Completed.
completed is the past participle.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
हाँ.
Kanchan for you. I have done this work.
Done.
Done. Very nice. I have done this work. Chetna, I have 2 pens. I have 2 pens.
Have.
I was a helping verb.
Have is a main verb हो गया, लेकिन इसके साथ कोई दूसरा verb तो आ ही नहीं रहा. सिंगल verb आ रहा है.
It's a
It's a single verb.
present
यहाँ पर
form.
हाँ, it's a single form क्योंकि इसके साथ हमारा कोई
It's a
दूसरा main verb
present
तो आ ही
form.
नहीं रहा. So main verb
Yes,
आना
ma'am.
बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है, कोई action verb आना जरूरी है. जो action words
Yes,
हैं,
ma'am.
that only becomes the आपका past participle.
Past participle.
ठीक है, although these we all discuss detail in the tenses. तो यहाँ तक clear हुआ. Past participle. This we already had discussed. Now, guys, this is your assignment. Although I will share into the group also, this is for homework. What you have to do, you have to make the family chart of do, be, and have family. And second, you have to make the sentences of these. What you can do, forget about the sentences. What you can do, you just make the chart. You just make the chart of these verbs. Add, awake, bathe, and celebrate. I will share into the group.
Total 7 we need.
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
What you have to do, you have to make the family chart. अभी हमने 7 forms of the
Okay.
verbs करे थे ना? So these are the
Then-
verbs you have to make the 7 forms.
These are means seven words.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
3 ऊपर हो गए, 4 नीचे हो गए, तो 7. ठीक है, डन. This is your
Be
homework.
helping verb and 4 main verb.
Be, do and have, these are the main families, and add, awake, bathe and celebrate, these are the verbs. So आपको जितना भी आप easily कर सकते हो, you just make.
Make sentence or make a chart?
Making the chart, making the chart.
मैम एक एग्जांपल आप देख सकते हो, एक सेंटेंस.
शबीर अभी हम इतने सारे करें ना, जैसे अवेक है, सपोज करो देयर इज अ वर्ब अवेक. अवेक, अवेक के आपको 7 फॉर्म्स बनाने हैं. अवेक, अवेक, अवेक्स, अवोक, अवेकिंग, अवोकन एंड देन टू अवोक, टू अवेक. सो आपको वो 7 फॉर्म, जैसे अभी हमने सारे वर्ब्स के बनाए ना 7 फॉर्म, ऐसे ही आपको 7 फॉर्म्स बनाने. क्लियर?
ओके.
डन?
ओके, विल ट्राई. डन.
Okay. Now, still we have time. So shall we start the next topic without taking much
Yes,
time?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yeah.
No issue.
Because
Yes, ma'am.
now the topic which I'm going to discuss, very, 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 very important. So that's why you guys, if you want to take 1 minute break, you can take.
Okay.
Pen, pencil जिसके पास नहीं है, ले आओ. Right? Because we are going to
No
start.
need
Yes, yes, Jyoti?
break.
Break, you want break? 1 minute
No
break.
need to break,
अच्छा,
ma'am.
no need to break. Okay, I thought you were saying. Okay,
No,
चलो.
ma'am.
चलो start करें फिर without taking much time.
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
हम जो next topic करने जा रहे हैं, that is called the verb partnership. In verb partnership, you should know the friendship between the verbs. Why we should know the friendship between the verbs? देखो, if there is one sentence, if there is a single sentence in which the single verb is coming, it is easy to construct. Like for example, I am in a class, simple sentence. The baby sleeps, simple sentence. I go to school, simple sentence. Okay, you can easily make. My mother cooks the food, children fly the kites. You can easily make the sentence. But the problem arises whenever there are 2 or more than 2 verbs in a sentence. जब 2 या 2 से ज्यादा verbs होते हैं sentence में, then we stuck. कि whether we are framing the right sentence or not. Okay? If you understand these golden mantras, so you will never ever do the mistakes in framing the sentences. Clear? So without taking much time, I'm going to start the story of verb friendship. Now, this thing you should note, because after that, now I will give one assignment. So in that case, you should know. So this is friendship number 1. This is friendship number 1. Be and present participle. Whenever the be members will come, is, am, are, was, were, you please write down. चल लिख लो ये चीजें. Is, am, are, was, were will come. So उसके साथ जो next verb आएगा, that should be in the present participle. Tanuja, how to identify whether this verb is in present participle or not?
With
ING
example or
form.
not?
Ing.
ING, B
ING
plus
form.
ING form.
लिख लो, please write
Like-
down. Present participle के
Already
साथ
written,
bracket
ma'am.
में लिखो verb plus ing. Verb plus ing.
Already written.
Shabir, this is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second friendship is have and past participle. When the have members will come, have, has, had. So the next verb should be past participle.
Third form.
Past participle means verb ka third form.
Third form.
Past part.
Past participle bracket में लिखो verb का third form. Babu, you are writing?
You can
पहले
write
में
be.
मैम पहले में क्या था जो
पहले
ये
में था
बी
present participle. पहले में था present participle. Verb का
Present.
first form के साथ ing. Second में
अच्छा।
है verb का third form.
थर्ड पर ईडी.
No, don't say ed. 95% cases में ed, but not in 100%. So ऐसे याद रखो verb का third form.
Yes.
The next friendship is between the do and mother verb. If the members will come, do, does, did. Do, does, did. So then the next verb should be in mother form. The next verb should be in mother form. Mother form means, Ranjita, what does it mean, mother form?
May.
Mother form means the base form of the verb without any s, without any s, without any ing, without any ed. The base.
Okay.
And the next friendship is between the modal verbs and the mother verbs. Now, Pooja, here it is coming. Modal verbs. Will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, ought to. These are all the modal verbs.
Model verb.
So, modal verbs के साथ आपका आएगा next friendship आएगा आपका mother form. Mother.
Ma'am, mother form, is it always in present form or it's not necessary?
Shall we speak loudly?
Mother form present form में ही होती है या it is not necessary?
Mother form is a base form, base form. Present form 1 समझ लो, चलो ऐसे समझ लो, present form 1. Present form 1. ठीक है, वैसे समझो. Modal verbs is also equally very important topic. Very important topic. Guys, if you cooperate with Meena, so I also take modal verbs in your level 1. ठीक है? Cooperate in the sense what you have, what I need your cooperation, whatever the assignment and homework I assign you, you just do your assignment on your part. Just go through with the recording, and once you come to the next class, now the previous concepts must be very much clear.
Yes.
So if I think so, this batch is going to be very smooth, so I will take modal verbs also. So can anyone please note down? Jyoti, can you note down modal verbs? Prepositions? और एक और टॉपिक बोला था मैंने स्टार्टिंग में, narrations. So I want to cover up these topics also into your grammar sessions. Okay? Prepositions, narrations, and
Modal verb.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Written.
Chalo, let's start. So first is be and present participle. Be and present participle. Now listen to me, very important. This is very simple sentence. I know most of you know the answer, but still we have to apply the verb partnership rule, because after that you have to do one assignment. I am going to temple. You have to check whether this sentence is right or wrong. So how you check? You first check how many verbs in this sentence. There are the 2 verbs in this sentence. Then you can apply this.
Am and going.
Yes, because you can apply this rule only on those sentences which contains 2 or more than 2 verbs. Right? So am is from which family? Am is from the B family.
B family.
B family.
B family के साथ next verb आता है कौन सा? According to the verb
Present participle.
Present
Present
participle.
participle.
So this is a
Verb
present
plus ing.
participle. Yes, this is an ing. So this is a right fit. So this sentence is right sentence. Clear? Any doubt to anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
They were talked about me. They were talked about me. Shabir, is this a right sentence?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what should be the right sentence?
They were talking.
They were talking about me. Very good, because word is from the be verb. Be verb के साथ आना था ing. But here it is coming past participle, so this is wrong fit.
Ma'am, how many maximum number of verbs?
How many maximum number of verbs can be added in active voice? 4.
In a sentence. Yes.
4.
Oh.
4 in an active voice, 5 in a passive voice. 4 in an active voice sentence and 5 in a passive sentence.
Passive.
I have been working in Tata Steel. Yes, Ranjita, is this a right sentence?
I have been. Have been is. Yes,
How many
ma'am.
verbs? How many verbs?
2 verbs. Have and working. Have been and working.
No, there are 3 verbs. Have, been, and working.
Working.
Have, been, and working. There are the 3 verbs in this.
Alag alag.
ठीक है? Tanuja, is this a right sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
How many verbs?
3 verbs, ma'am.
Name them.
Have been and working.
Now you have to check between first have and been, and then you have to check been and working. Yes, Tanuja,
Okay.
start.
Have is the helping verb, ma'am.
don't say helping verb.
Have,
Just
have,
have
have,
is from the which family? Family.
have,
Have family. Have family. Have family के साथ partnership.
been, past
Been.
participle.
So been is a past participle. Yes, been is a past participle.
Mm.
If you recall
Yes,
the
ma'am.
be chart now, so been जो है, that is a past participle of be. So this is the
Mm.
right
Confirm.
fit. Now been is from which family?
Be family, ma'am.
B family.
Family.
B family के साथ next
So that
friendship.
working is plus
Yeah.
ing, working.
Yes. So this is a present
It's a
participle.
present participle
So
form.
this is the right sentence. This is the right sentence. Very
Mm.
nice. Any doubt to anyone? Chetna, Chetna, is this a right sentence?
I have going to temple.
Chetna,
No.
No, ma'am.
no. How?
Actually, have going to from.
Huh?
Have is coming from have family.
Very nice.
And going, we have to use the past participle.
You have to use a past participle, but it is a
Yes.
present participle.
Present past.
So this is a wrong
participle.
sentence. So what should be the correct
Wrong
sentence?
I have gone.
I have gone to temple.
Yes, I have gone to temple. क्योंकि go का past participle क्या होता है? Gone.
Gone.
I have gone to temple. AK, is this a right sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Because have के साथ क्या आएगा? Past participle. So this is a right. Rekha, is this a right sentence?
I can't see sentence.
No.
The screen is not visible?
No, yeah, coming. I
Yeah.
did not went to temple. I did not went to temple. Okay. So no, this is wrong sentence
How?
because went, so go, went, gone. This is the did.
Hmm.
is,
Did कौन सी family से है?
okay.
Do family.
Do
Do
family. Do family. Did है do family से do does did. So did है
Yes.
from the do family.
Do
Do family के साथ जो next verb आता है,
Go.
that should be in the
Mother form.
Mother
mother
form.
form.
Base form of the verb.
लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या आ गया? Past form. So
Past
this is a wrong fit. So what should be the correct sentence?
Go,
I
go,
did not go
to
to
temple.
I did not go to temple.
go to temple.
My
Yes.
father.
Pranita, is this a right sentence?
My father did not give.
Yes, ma'am. My father, excellent.
How many
Father
verbs?
did not give to me.
Yes, ma'am. Did
Uh,
not.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Right,
Pranita,
right
how
sentence.
many verbs?
Did
Two verbs.
gift two verbs.
Two verbs. So did is from
And
the
Did
did is from
Family.
do verb.
do family.
Gift is a mother form.
Gift is the mother
Mother
form. So
verb.
this
It's
is
mother
the
verb.
right fit.
Right sentence. Yes.
Jyoti, is this a right sentence?
I should go to temple.
Right, ma'am. Because
how?
after model verb, we will write mother form.
Very good. Should is a model verb, तो should के बाद आएगा हमारा mother form. Pooja, is this a right sentence?
I will have.
Will have been sung the song.
I will have
yes.
been sung a song. Is this the right sentence? How many verbs?
No, ma'am.
How many verbs?
Three verbs.
Three verbs.
Ma'am, it's four.
It's a four verbs.
Four verbs. Yes.
verbs.
Sing the
Yes,
song. Yes.
yes, four verbs.
Have
Will
There are
have
four verbs.
been
sung.
sung.
Been sung. Yes.
Shabir,
Will
you
have
asked
been
na how
sing
many
the
verbs?
song.
So this is a four verbs.
Four verbs.
So this is a right sentence or wrong sentence?
Wrong, ma'am, wrong.
Wrong
Right.
sentence.
Ma'am, this is wrong.
Right sentence.
Wrong,
Okay,
ma'am.
Jyoti,
Ma'am,
sing
wrong,
right.
wrong.
Okay,
Sing
okay.
instead of sung.
Yes, Pooja.
Singing a song, ma'am.
Sing the song.
Sing a
Ma'am,
song.
singing.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes, sorry.
singing a song.
Singing a song, right.
Singing a song.
Singing a song. देखो, will is a modal verb. Modal verb के
Yes.
साथ mother form आ गया.
Mother.
Perfect. Have is a have family के साथ past participle. Perfect. Been is from the B family. B family के साथ आता है ing form.
ing.
लेकिन यहाँ पर आ गया past participle, तो ये wrong fit हो गया. तो correct sentence is I will have been
singing a song.
singing a song. I will have been singing a song. Clear?
मैम इसमें
Yes,
कौन सा रोल लगता है जो हमने लिखे पहले?
शबी
Be
देखो, इसमें सबसे पहले you have to check the verbs. कितने verbs आ रहे हैं? 4 verbs आ रहे हैं. तो
Four,
आपका
four.
3 friendships बनेगा. तो first you
दो
have
से
to check
ज्यादा
between first and second. Will is from which family? Model.
मॉडल
Model के साथ क्या आता है? हमेशा हमारा
मदर
mother.
वर्ब
तो आ गया.
आगे
Have
पहले
is a
दो
mother
यस
verb. Then
यस
have and been में you have to check. Have is from which family? Have family.
मदर
have family,
Have
है
family
फैमिली
के साथ आता है हमारा past participle.
past participle,
आ गया past participle. Been is a past participle. Now again you
Been.
have to check between been and sung. Been is from which family? B family.
B family,
बी
B
फैमिली
family के साथ आता है हमारा ing form. But यहाँ पर क्या आ गया? Past participle.
third
पास
form,
So correct sentence is I will have been singing
Singing
a
a
song.
singing a song.
ओके क्लियर
Babu, would you like to try? He will have gone there.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Babu, you are traveling?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Actually, I'm doing my work and I'm listening.
Okay. No issues. You
this
just
also.
listen. You just listen.
Okay, I
Okay.
will try for this.
Okay.
No, ma'am, it's wrong sentence.
It's a wrong sentence. So what is incorrectness in this sentence? What is incorrect part?
He will have go there.
He will have go there.
Yeah.
But why? Have कौन सा family है?
Have family,
Have is from the have family.
have
Have
family,
family के साथ क्या आता है next verb?
present participle,
Have के साथ कौन सा आता है next verb?
थर्ड फॉर्म
Past participle.
Third
So
form of
gone
verb.
is a past participle, na?
It's a right
So
sentence.
this is a right sentence.
Yes.
This is a right
This is
sentence,
correct.
Babu. I will have gone there. This is a right sentence. Have के साथ always comes a past participle. Is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. But I really like your
ma'am.
confidence, na? The way you spoke. Yes, this is right. So एक बार मेरे को भी देखना पड़ गया right and wrong. Okay, now guys. This is an assignment and you have to do in front of me. घर जाके तुम लोग सब भूल जाते. So I'm giving you 20 seconds time. What you have to do, just go through with these sentences. If you think so, these sentences are right, perfectly okay, jump to the next sentence. But if you think so, okay, this sentence is not correct according to the verb partnership rule, so tell me the correct sentence. Just quickly write down into your notebook, or you can make the sentences into your mind. It's totally up to you. I'm giving you 20 seconds time.
It will raining. I can understand.
I can understand.
And then, ma'am. All are wrong, ma'am.
Okay, done. Okay. Let's start from Kanchan. Kanchan, read the first sentence, dear.
I will raining.
It will rain.
Okay. Sorry.
Huh.
It will raining. I
Huh.
can understand it from the dark cloud. It should be, it will rain. I can understand, not understands.
Very good.
I can understand from the dark cloud.
Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am?
Excellent, Kanchan.
Ma'am, there is one confusion. It from होगा या from?
It.
It's from the dark cloud.
It
It's from the dark.
What's your question? It.
My question is, it from the dark या it from the dark cloud? From FORM या FROM?
I can understand it. ये understand के बाद it आ रहा है. From the dark clouds.
Okay.
So the correct sentence is, it will rain. I can understand it from the dark clouds, because will is a modal verb, and guys, you have to explain. Okay, Kanchan, explain this. Why? Because will is a modal verb. Modal verb के साथ you have to use the mother verb. Again,
Mother verb.
can is a modal verb. You have to use the mother.
whatever.
Okay, Pooja, I am gone to finish my work soon.
I am going to finish my work soon.
Why?
Because M is a like from the B family.
B family.
And with
Okay,
B
very nice, very
yeah.
nice. Okay, Pranita, I have waiting for you. Pranita, be quick.
I am waiting for you.
No, don't make the changes in the first, just make the changes in the second. Although your sentence is also right. I am waiting for you is also right. But if it is there is a have.
Okay.
Waited.
Waited for you.
Yes,
With
I have waited
waited
for you. I have waited for you. I have
Yes.
waited for you. Very good. Jyoti, number 4th.
He will have studied the English grammar.
He will have.
Studied the English grammar.
Can you spell? Can you spell? Study.
Yes, because will is a model
Can you
verb.
spell the spelling of study? What the spelling you are saying?
STUDIED.
STUDIED. Very good. Excellent, Jyoti. He will have studied the English grammar. Why? देखो, although he के साथ क्या आता है? Has आता है. लेकिन इससे पहले देखो क्या लगा हुआ है? There is a modal verb is coming.
Modal verb.
So modal verb के साथ always comes the mother verb.
Mother verb.
So whatever the subject it is, you don't consider. You just consider अगर modal verb लगा हुआ है, so you have to put have. और have के साथ next verb आ जाएगा past participle.
Form of verb, past participle.
Very nice, Jyoti. Excellent. Yes, Tanuja, number 5th.
Rita will have been teaching a lesson.
Excellent.
Been.
Rita will
B-double-E-N.
have been, B-double-E-N, been. Rita will have been teaching a lesson. Shabir, I should gone to school. Shabir, I should gone to school.
I should go to school.
Yes, very good. Because should is a modal verb. Modal verb के साथ the next verb should be the mother form. I should go to the school. Very nice. But those guys who didn't take the part in this, no need to worry. We have one more assignment. Okay? Hardly 5 minutes you will take. Okay? Right. So done. Jaldi se, I'm again giving you 20 seconds time.
Had the water boil when you went to the teacher? Had the water
Okay, chalo, let's start with Ranjita. Ranjita, read the first sentence.
Ma'am, I skipped the class for because of network issue.
No,
I can't
just read the
understand.
first sentence. Just read the first sentence.
Okay. Had the water boiled when you went to kitchen.
Is this the right sentence?
The water boiled. Had is past when water is boiled. I think yes, ma'am.
I think yes. How? Had. Had is from which family, Ranjita?
Had have is
Had is from have family. Okay? Have family के साथ क्या आता है? Next verb कौन सा आना चाहिए? Past participle.
boiled होना चाहिए.
Boiled होना चाहिए. Had the water boiled when you went to kitchen.
When you come.
Had the water boiled when you went to kitchen. Rekha, I had been worked at the company for 5 years.
No, ma'am. I had
Walking.
been working.
Walking.
I had
Walking.
been working at the company for 5
5
years.
years. Excellent. I had been working at the company for 5 years. Okay, very nice. Tanuja, when I turn 30, I will have been playing piano for 21 years.
When I turn 30, I will have been playing piano for 21 years.
Very nice. I will have been, B-double-E and been. I will have been playing piano for 21 years. Excellent. AK, smoking can causes cancer. Unmute, unmute.
Smoking can cause cancer.
Very good. Smoking can cause cancer. Shabir, could you give me loan?
Could you give me loan?
Very good. Could you give me loan? Because could is a modal verb. Modal verb के साथ mother.
Mother verb.
Pooja,
Mother.
John must studies hard.
John must study hard.
Very nice. John must study hard. John must study hard. Chetna, you should have a walk daily.
You should have walk daily.
You should
Have walk daily.
walk की spelling बताओ.
WALK.
अच्छा, same sentence रहेगा.
WALKS. Yes, ma'am. We have to remove A.
We have to remove A. Okay, we have to
Yes.
remove A. Jyoti, is Chetna right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You should have a walk daily.
No,
No,
wrong,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You
Then?
should have
You should have
a
walk
walk.
Should have walked daily.
Walk.
ED, ED. You should
Yes.
have walked. Okay, okay. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Babu. Rekha. इतना noise, huh? कैसे रहते हो? बाबू, you should have a walk daily.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. This
हाँ.
sentence you should have a walk daily. So
हाँ.
with have we will use ed form.
ED.
Yes,
हाँ.
but if a walk as a noun, if we take so a walk, that is also right term. Na, a walk.
Very nice. Excellent, Pranita. Very nice. Guys, understood. Although I really like your confidence, just the way you spoke, na, it is right. मजा आ जाता है सुन के. लेकिन ये गलत था.
right.
देखो,
That's
समझो
right.
इस चीज को. A यहाँ पर आर्टिकल है. यहाँ पर देखो, अगर सपोज करो A नहीं लिखा होता तो सेंटेंस क्या बनता? You should
Walked
have
daily.
walked daily.
Walked.
जो आप लोग बोल
Yes,
रहे हो.
ma'am.
Perfectly
I
okay.
wrote right.
बट यहाँ पर देखो A लिखा हुआ है. A कभी भी वर्ब से पहले नहीं आता. देखो हाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट. अभी कभी कभी पूछते हैं कि मैम ये कैसे पता चलता है ये वर्ब है या ये नाउन है. देखो आर्टिकल जो
articles are
है
used.
वो ऑलवेज कम्स बिफोर द नाउन्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Articles always comes before the noun. तो immediately it should come into your mind कि यहाँ पर A लगा हुआ है तो this walk is not a verb. Walk is a noun. तो आप फ्रेंडशिप आप नहीं कर सकते. फ्रेंडशिप सिर्फ आप वर्ब टू वर्ब में ही कर सकते हैं. सो द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज you should have a walk daily. You should have a walk daily. चेतना ने बड़ा इजी कर दिया, A को रिमूव कर दिया है. चेतना Okay. Can he comes with us? Can he comes with us? Yes. Shabir, can he comes with us?
Can he come with
Can he
us?
come with us?
Shabir,
Can he come with us?
can he come with us? Can he come with us? Kanchan,
They
they
will
will talking
to me.
to me. They will talking to me.
They will talk to me.
Very
Talk to
nice.
me.
They will talk to me. They will talk to me.
मैम ये जो sentence can he comes with us, he is the third person. We always use
S.
s with the
S
third
लगता है
person,
ना,
but
लेकिन यहाँ पर मॉडल वर्ब लग गया. मॉडल वर्ब लग गया can.
Can.
तो जैसे can मॉडल वर्ब लग गया तो यहाँ पर आपका हो
Mother verb.
जाएगा कम.
Mother.
यहाँ पर कम हो जाएगा.
Come.
मदर वर्ब आ
Mother
जाएगा.
okay.
रंजीता,
Yes, ma'am.
they will talking to me.
They will talk to me.
They will talk to me. They will talk to me. Very nice. He must has done this mistake. He must has done this mistake.
Yep.
Rekha,
he must have no, he must has done, yeah,
this is
He
a right
must have
sentence.
done this
this
mistake.
is
Must has.
Okay. Tanuja,
Yes, ma'am.
he must has done this mistake.
He must
The sentence is right, ma'am.
Right. Very nice.
He
AK,
must has done the mistake.
Done.
have.
AK. Yes,
He
yes,
must
AK.
If you.
He
if you-
must have done this mistake. Very nice, AK. Tanuja, Rekha, guys, see na, must लगा हुआ है. Must is क्या है? What is must? Must is a modal verb. Modal verb के साथ कभी भी हमारा present form to नहीं आता. Always the mother verb will come. So has का mother verb क्या होता है? Have.
Have.
Have. And the last is if you hired a car, you would reach on time. Jyoti. Yes, Jyoti.
If you hired a car, you would reach on time.
If you hired a car, you would.
Reach on time.
You would have reached with it.
No, I don't want to insert any new verb. इसी sentence को
You
correct करो.
would reach on time.
Reach on time.
You would reach on time. Although देखने में क्या लग रहा है? Would है, वो तो past tense सा लग रहा है. तो उसके साथ हम ed लगा देते हैं. But that is grammatically wrong. So always would,
Modal
could, जब भी आएंगे तो always use mother.
Mother
If
verb.
you hired a car, you would reach on.
Reach on time.
You would reach on. Okay, so now